What is happening, Biomassers? It is BioMass Regional6, and today, guys, is going to be another unboxing video for the channel because I got more stuff in the mail that got shipped to me. Yet, today, even though all these packages came off online in the mailbox and were shipped to me, before I came home, I was in a very bad mood. I was in the rain because, you know, the weather in Florida is crappy. God help the weather. And if anything, I was really not looking forward to making a video, but I was like, you know what, screw it. This makes me happy anyway because I am getting the stuff I need because I bought it, and now apparently my card's been declined for some reason. I gotta check that out. But don't worry, at least I got this stuff before my card went decline. So let's get right into it and start with the very first big one. No, just kidding. We go with the small ones up to the big one, and that's it. And jump cut right now. Alrighty then, we go with this one. Let me get my trusty knife here. And I believe this one right here is actually my brand new BlackWeb portable charger. It is! Oh, good. Good. Very good. Ooh, very nice. Sticky. Oops, this thing is gonna have to get a little help. Yeah. Ooh, wow. So that's what a charger looks like. Nice. Alright. Kind of ruined it at first, but look at that. A nice, some all-in-one portable battery. Yep. This thing's definitely gonna help me because unlike this one, which is just, you know, a basic mobile charger, the charge port's kind of broken. So I figured I might as well get a new one, a better one. Move all this aside and jump cut to the next one. Alright, so this is supposed to be the PS3 game that I bought. Which one, you probably might be asking. Well, I remember that I wanted to get the PS3 version of Destiny, but I couldn't at the time because I was, you know, getting other stuff like headphones and such. And oh my gosh, it is in there. Oh, it looks beautiful. Hey, let me mess up. Yeah. Ooh. Whoa. Alright, desk, if you want it like that. Oh, wow. Look at that. Now that is very nice. Destiny the Taken King. Freaking legendary edition. Regular Destiny game. 2 expansions. And of course, Taken King, of course. Yeah. So that's pretty good, and I love the cover. I like the back too, it's very nice. Alright, and third and final one, jump cut now. Bada bing, bada boom. It's the third one in the room. No? Okay. Sorry for that. Anyway, let's begin. It's like a surgeon operation. We're taking a little bit of cuts over here at the end. And ooh. Oh! Alright, wow. I didn't really think it was gonna be this nice. Oh. Alright, so this is the PS2 Media Remote Control. It's very nice. I didn't think it was gonna be this nice. It looks very, very remastered. It's almost like it came out of its time zone and into this year. I very much like it, and it uses AAA batteries. You don't know how happy I am with that, because I have a whole bunch of AAA batteries right over there that I'm pointing at. This is very, very great. And I have a PS2 still, so if anything, all buttons work. I mean, they at least get pressed down. I don't know if they work. And yeah, that's cool. So I'm going to put all the items onto the table, and then I will say my outro. Alrighty. So we got the BlackWeb portable charger that I needed so much. The PS3 version of Destiny with the Taken King and the 2 expansions, and of course we got the wonderful Sony PS2 Media Remote Control. All of these are very nice items. And maybe, just maybe, if I have more time, I will do another video later on in the year or so of showing you how these items are working properly. Now I'm going to cut to, me saying what's up and everything right about now.